working on a 2005 v70, and you know, we got them broken shifter stuffs in there, but I already put it all together. You just rip this off, and you got some tabs in the front, and you push back on this. You know, push back on these tabs right here, and then pull it up after you get this out, of course. But anywho, this is the tricky part. All that's self-explanatory. To get this cap off, you've got a couple little tabs in here. I'm going to show you the tabs so you get an idea. You see up in there, there's these little bitty, like that triangle looking thing right there. You got to stick your screwdrivers in there, like 3 or 4 of them. Stick them in that hole up there. Pry this back just enough to pop that clip. Try to get you in there. And then right here too at the front corner, there's also another tab right here. And you stick your screwdriver through the top right there. And then also up here, you're gonna want to do the same thing and stick your screwdriver up here in the corner and kind of just pry it out. But I know these are always hard on the XC90s and whatnot. I just haven't dealt with this one. I thought I'd help y'all out. And this spring also, there's a little slot down there it slides into. If you don't get it in that slot, it'll pop back out. There's also that. And then this one's pretty self-explanatory. The spring just goes into that yellow plastic and then the black up here. And it looks like so. But anywho, after you get all that in there, you can just move everything over to the side and throw that in the end. Put it all back together.